Hola Gossip Birds can create an atmosphere of rich language for baby to explore. There are 3 modes to switch between. In sway mode, press the button on the head and shake the bird. The bird will sing and sway. Very cute. In chat mode, the bird will talk to the baby with lively words, which helps to develop baby's EQ. In repeating mode, the bird will repeat baby's words in a funny way, encouraging your child to speak more. In addition, when 2 birds are both in sway mode, they can sing and interact with each other. Hola Gossip Birds.